Hello, hello. I am here with news to you for November 16th, 2020. The topic today is Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade. Thanksgiving Day is November 26th in 2020. The Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade is on this day. There we go. The Macy's Parade is in New York City, New York. The Macy's Parade will be different in 2020, just like everything. People can watch the Macy's Parade only on TV. Some parts of the Macy's Parade will be the same. The Macy's Parade will still have clowns, marching bands, famous singers, and floats. The Macy's Parade will still have huge balloons too. I think that's what it's famous for, is those big balloons in the sky. The balloons will look like Snoopy, Pikachu, SpongeBob SquarePants, and more. Here is a recipe for making a Thanksgiving turkey treat. Looks like a Thanksgiving roll-up. Okay, and there's the instructions. All right, here's our joke. Knock, knock. Who's there? Watch. Watch who? Watch balloon is your favorite. We didn't think that was the best joke. All right, how's this one? All right, I have a joke. What does every parade start with? I don't know. The letter P. Got it? The word parade starts with P. Ha ha. Okay, let's take a look at this game page. Okay, let's find pictures about the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade. Okay, we know they talked about floats, so we would circle float. Watch. People can watch the parade, and this year we'll only watch it on TV. Okay, I don't think we talked about principal, so that one would be no. Did we talk about the moon? Nah. Did we talk about balloons? Yes, we talked about the big balloons in the parade. And we talked about Thanksgiving Day. We said the Macy's Parade is on Thanksgiving Day. Okay, let's take a look at our review page. Okay, remember, you can always pause this video right here and talk with somebody at home about the questions, okay? So it says, question number 1, what is the paper about? The choices are New Music Museum, NASCAR Championship Race, or Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade. Today we talked about the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade. Question number 2, who can watch the Macy's Parade only on TV? Mermaids, people, or zombies? The answer for that question would be people, though I'm sure someone's going to tell you that zombies or mermaids could watch on TV too. But people is the answer for question number 2. Question number 3, where is the Macy's Parade? New York City, New York, Los Angeles, California, or Chicago, Illinois? Where they put that star, that certainly doesn't look like Chicago either. But it is not Chicago. We know this isn't where the parade is. Okay, the Macy's Parade is in New York City. All right, and then you can talk with somebody at home about what your favorite part of the parade would be. Okay, do you like balloons, clowns, marching bands, floats, or maybe something else? Okay, I wonder if you'll watch the Macy's Parade this year. I'd love to find out. All right, nice job, everybody. Bye.